Pleiotropy. The ability of a gene to express in an organism in many ways is called as pleiotropy. It means a gene, if it has expression more than one, on one hand it produces some of the phenotype, while on the other hand it produces another phenotype. Such a phenomena is called as pleiotropy. Pleiotropy is a phenomena in which we can see that one gene locus or one gene can produce more than one phenotypes. If more than one phenotypes are produced by a single gene, this phenomena is called as pleiotropic effect or pleiotropy. Here we can see that there is a single gene. That gene is present on a chromosome, and this gene can produce multiple traits. This gene can produce trait A, that can also be called as phenotype A. This gene can produce phenotype B or the trait B, and this gene can also produce phenotype C or the trait C. If this gene is producing more than one phenotypes, or this gene is producing multiple traits, if a gene produces multiple traits, then this phenomena is called as pleiotropy. Pleiotropy phenomena can be seen in the humans. The best example of the pleiotropy phenomena is in the humans, the two diseases which are produced by the single gene. The name of the diseases is sickle cell anemia as well as cystic fibrosis. These two diseases, they are produced by a single gene. Single gene can produce on one hand sickle cell anemia, while on the other hand the same gene can produce cystic fibrosis in some other organisms. This is the normal red blood cells that usually carry the oxygen. If there is a disease or if there is a mutation in that particular gene that it is responsible for the production of the carrying the oxygen or the production of the normal cells, if there is a mutation, then these normal cells are converted into sickled cells. Sickled cells, they cannot carry the oxygen. So this is one phenotype which is produced by a single gene. On the other hand, the same gene can produce another phenotype. The name of the second phenotype is cystic fibrosis. Cystic fibrosis is a disease that is a hereditary disease characterized by lung congestion as well as infection, and where the pancreas cannot absorb the nutrients. So this is the second disease, cystic fibrosis. Cystic fibrosis and sickle cell anemia, they are the pleiotropic effect of a single gene. The second example of pleiotropic effect is the Huntington disease. Huntington disease can occur in two ways. There are two phenotypes which are produced by a single gene. In case of phenotype 1, dementia is produced at the age of 40 to 50 years of age, while in the second phenotype, once Huntington disease appears, the patient will die within the next 4 to 5 years. Mean Huntington disease have two phenotypes which is produced by a single gene, phenotype 1, where we see that patient survives and dementia appears at the age of 40 to 50, while on the other hand there is a second phenotype in which once the Huntington disease appears in a patient, the patient will die within the next 4 to 5 years.